to a cooker, add 1 cup of soaked peas, 2 cups of water, half teaspoon salt and pinch of turmeric powder. Now close the lid and keep 2 whistles. Next, to a mixer jar, add 1 cup of onion, tomato, 10 to 15 garlic, 2 inch of ginger, 2 green chilli, half cup of coriander leaves, half cup of mint leaves, 2 pieces of cinnamon, cloves. Add water and blend this to a thick paste. Now peas is well cooked. Next, to a pan, add grained paste. Fry this for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well and fry this for 2 minutes. After frying, add cooked peas. Take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, add water and mix it without lumps. Now transfer the mixture to the masala. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook this for 5 minutes. After the gravy becomes thicker, switch off the gas. Transfer it to a plate and decorate it with chopped onion, carrot and coriander leaves. Now the dish is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.